Agbado Oyinbo people, Oyinbo residents, I bring you good tidings. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is working and Lagos State is improving, is developing. Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. It's in the news that Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu inspects the newly acquired Targo 330 km/h speed train for the Red Line Metro project in Lagos. The 37 km Red Line on completion will traverse 8 stations and move passengers from Agbado to Oyinbo. The governor said this on Wednesday. He said this further, we have completed the deal for the acquisition of the 2 high-speed trains while we are wrapping up the completion of the ancillary infrastructure. Like the train stations, we are irrevocably committed to completing the Red Line Metro Rail project by the end of this year and bring a new lease of life to public transportation in Lagos. You can see this is good news. Babajide Sanwo-Olu is working and Lagos State is improving, is developing. That's a good one from there. In no time, Lagos will become London.
Our promise on the blue and the red line are still on course. That's our commitment, and we'll begin to monitor and check ourselves. It's a very, very, very iconic, landmark project that we're truly proud of, and I want to, on behalf of the government, commend all of our contractors because they are extensively very committed, right? They have assured us that whatever it takes, they will complete all of these projects on schedule.